Another hike on the North Country Trail. I'm going to complete my PA Hike 50 challenge today. It is January 23rd, and it is my best friend Pam's birthday. Happy birthday, Pamela. Hopefully we see some animals today. It is supposed to be 40 degrees, so hopefully they'll be out and about. It's still only like 30. Look at that view. Isn't that awesome? I love those little bridges like that. It's me. I kind of like the little selfie stick. It's super long. And you can see tons of stuff like this high up. Oh, in the summertime. I plan to do some rattlesnake searching. Like, you know, the big rocks, and then you can put this down below so that I don't have to actually look at them, sort of. I mean, I still will have to look at them, but I guess that's how you search for them. I don't know, it's creepy to me. Sure we don't fall on the ice, since these steps are super icy. And it's not like they're gonna come out here and salt them, right? I plan to this summer hopefully do some like overnight backpacking up in the Allegheny National Forest. I think that should be fun. I may end up just going alone, unless I can get Pam or one of my new hiking friends. If you guys follow me on Instagram under Brenda Kline Hikes, you'll see that I've met 2 new hiking friends that live fairly close to me. Look, even when you're old, you can find new friends. It's amazing to me how many people hike around here that I never knew about, because you don't always see them out on the trail and where you end up meeting. This is what social media is good for, is like meeting people and actually going out and physically meeting them to do things that you like to do together. There he goes. There's another one. Did you guys see him? I hope you got to see him. Oh, look, a bear. Oh my God. They are so adorable. I know they're mean. People always complain how mean they are, but they're so adorable. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I gotta take my glove off. Okay, we're gonna leave you alone. But you're so cute. I was hoping he would let me get closer to him. But it doesn't look like it. Looks like he's gonna hide from me. God, that was so cute. I was hoping if I came up top of this hill. I mean, it's not super steep, but it is, you know, when you're me. I was hoping when I came to the top, there might be a deer or something, because sometimes there are up here. It's kind of far away from people, and I haven't really seen any hunters on this part of the trail. Well, I got my PA hike 50. So I did that already this year, 2020. It's not even in January yet, and I already did it. Yay! Now I gotta get the hike 100.